Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be mixing these two colors together, color 27 and color 350. So I need a red, like a kind of hair red highlight effect for my crochet braid. So and the red was a bit too bright for what I want. So to reduce the brightness of the red, I'm going to be mixing the color 350 and the color 27 together. So I cut the extension into three. I cut the red into three and the color 27 into 3. So after that I pull on the end to give me extra length. So right here I'm taking a little bit of the color 27 and a little bit of the color 350. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it together. So before mixing the colors together, I'm going ahead to brush the hair to make sure it's tangle free. So after that, to mix the colors together, you want to take one of the hair, the other color, put it on top of the second one, just like that. And so to mix the colors together, you want to take a little bit of the hair, take it from the right hand and move it to the left hand. So you want to keep moving it like that. So you move the whole hair from the right hand to the left hand. After that, you want to go ahead and rebrush the hair. If you're happy with the color mixed together like that, you can go ahead and use it for the hairstyle. But if you're not satisfied with the color, you can go ahead and re-separate the hair, just like I'm doing in this video. So I've moved everything from the right hand side to the left hand. So I'm going ahead to rebrush the hair. I want the color to mix a little bit more together. Just kind of, you can see a little bit of the red and color 27 separated. I want the hair to mix all together. So I'm going ahead to re-separate it. So after separating the hair, I'm going to go ahead again and take the brush and brush it through. Just right here, I'm brushing the hair. So still not happy with the color. It's not blend properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-separate it. That's just by doing the same thing. Move it from the other hand to the second one and just keep doing the same thing. So now that is done, and I'm happy with the way the hair blends together. So this is the finished result of the two colors blend together. And you can do the same thing with any kind of color. You can mix three colors together to create your own unique hair color for your braid. So this is the before and after mixing the both colors together. And right here, this is the crochet braid I did using the color I mixed together as a red highlight for the crochet braid. And so the link to this crochet braid will be in the description box. It will be available in a few hours. So definitely check out the crochet braid. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.